Hi friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to look at the solution of task 3 in GRIP. In this task, we have to perform exploratory data analysis on dataset sample superstore, and we are going to help our business manager to find out the weak areas so that he can make more profit. So as usual, our first step will be importing our libraries and dataset. df.head gives the first 5 rows of our data. df.shape gives structure of our data. df.info gives a column name, no null count, and data type of that column. df.describe gives a mathematical value such as count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, and 75th percentiles values. So now we are going to do some data cleaning, and our first step will be dropping the postal code column and country column, because the postal code column is of course useless and all the stores are in USA, so we are dropping the country column. Checking for duplicates, we have 50 duplicate values and we are dropping them, and now we have 0 duplicate values. Data visualization, as our first part, we are going to plot a heat map, and we can see the sales and profit shows us a positive correlation. This makes sense because as the sales increases, the profit increases. Plotting for discount versus profit graph. Here we can see that, so when the business manager gives 10% of discount, he gets profit, and when the business manager sells his product for 50% discount, he is in loss. Quantity of profit, quantity versus profit. Yeah, this is, we all know that as the sales increases, the profit, the quantity of products sold increases, the profit increases. Sales by state. Our top 3 performing states are California, New York, and Texas. Category wise sales. Technologies, the category technology has the highest amount of sales than furniture and office supplies. Then we are plotting a pair plot based on the category, and our plot looks like this, and allotting two different columns, df loss and df profit, and finding a profitable ship mode. We get the first class ship mode gets more profit than the standard class and same day ship mode. Visualizing subcategories. Binders, papers, and furnishings are the top 3 subcategories that were sold the most, and as binders sold the most, they yield more profit, followed by copiers and phones. Now comparing the sales. So when we are comparing the sales, consumers, the more the consumers buy the product more than corporate and home office, and all the 3 segments gives a decent amount of profit too. And checking our result. So after visualizing our data, we can tell our business manager that to gain more profit, he should sell his products only at 10% discount and not more than that. His company's performance is maximum in California, New York, and in Texas. When it comes to sales based on category, the products that come under technology were sold the most. Based on ship mode, the first class shipping mode gives the company a lot more profit when compared to others. Binders, papers, and furnishings are the most sold products. The sales of binders, copiers, and phones were more profitable. And the interesting fact here is copiers is the least sold product, but still it yields the second highest profit for the company. And the sales done more for the consumers, and so the profit. Yeah, have you seen this? So the copiers were sold the least values and they yield the second highest profit. So selling copiers is more profitable. And that's it. Thank you for watching and like the video and leave a comment down below.